Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. Today we get to look at a beautiful 2-bedroom standard view villa at Disney's wonderful Riviera Resort. It's an amazing villa, fully furnished, fully stocked, with 2 great big bedrooms, a lovely living room, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry facility. So when you're ready to book your next trip to Florida, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived for our stay at a 2-bedroom standard view villa at Disney's Riviera Resort. So we're very happy to be here, never been here before. So let's check it out. As you come into the villa, you have a beautiful living room and a full kitchen with an oven, a range, and a microwave, and plenty of utensils and cups and plates and wine glasses, all kinds of utensils and cooking implements and silverware. So just fully stocked. It's beautiful. You have a coffee maker and a dishwasher, very nice, in your unit, and tons of storage also. Oh, there's the garbage can. So lots of storage. Also have a nice dining room table that seats at least 6 or 8 maybe. And a beautiful chandelier, a full refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. So these DVC villas are just beautiful. And like I said, this is our first time in Riviera Resort, so we're thrilled to be here. Nice, great big flat screen TV with a welcome message on it. This actually turns into a trundle bed. So the bed just folds right down with Mickey taking a nap in the background. So that's beautiful, and sleeps another person. And Riviera Resort is themed kind of a European theme based on Walt and his wife's trip to Europe back in the, I think it was the 1930s. So just beautiful. Have these little wall sconces. Have a nice sofa and a couple of chairs. And this little ottoman moves around and also gives you additional storage space. This sofa also folds down into a double bed. If I can get it here, here we go. It folds right down. That's a trundle bed, or a Murphy bed, or whatever you want to call it. So it just folds down flat, so additional sleeping arrangements. So just beautiful, and a coffee table. And over here, we're in a standard view room, so we're actually looking out the front of the resort. We go out here on the balcony. We have a lovely balcony with 2 chairs and a table. So you can see we have a view of the porte cochere at the front of the hotel. People arriving for their stay, and there's a view of the beautiful fountain out front as well. So if you have a deluxe view, you'll have a view more of the grounds and the resort, but we just got a standard view for this one. So 2 chairs and a little table, so you can enjoy a beverage out here if you'd like. And this other door goes into the primary bedroom. We have beautiful artwork on the walls. I love all the old-fashioned artwork. A nice chair, a big king-size bed, another big flat-screen TV, and a dresser, tons of storage, which is very nice. So a beautiful bedroom, and the beds are lofted, so you can store things underneath the bed if you'd like. Nice desk over there, and a great big closet, plenty of storage space, and a luggage rack. So very nice. And we come into the primary bathroom. You can see it's a nice single vanity with a beautiful mirror and a makeup mirror, so very pretty, and a great big soaking tub, which is very nice. Beautiful soaking tub. And we continue on to the rest of the bathroom, which is separated by this sliding door, pocket door, so you can divide it into 2. So 2 people can be getting ready at the same time. We have a beautiful walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. So very nice and very large. And a bench there if someone needs to sit down while they're taking a shower. There's more beautiful artwork on the walls, the facilities of course, and another single vanity. So 2 vanities in the bathroom and more storage space underneath. Coming out of the bathroom back into the hallway, you have a washer dryer here, a stacked washer and dryer. So there's the dryer, there's the washing machine. They give you some laundry detergent also, which is very nice. And on the other side of the hallway is another closet. Another great big closet with extra bedding and a safe and a vacuum and an iron, or an ironing board and an iron. There's the iron. So just beautiful. And then continuing across the hall is the second bedroom. But before we get there, there's another great big closet. So tons of storage space and hanging space. Come into the second bedroom. You can see have more storage space on this little credenza behind the door and more beautiful artwork. Here's the second bathroom, second shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand and a bench again, of course. The facilities in this bathroom, another pocket door, so you can be using the shower while someone else is getting ready in the sink. Another single vanity with more storage space and a blow dryer. Another single beautiful mirror above the vanity and another makeup mirror. And over here you've got another bathtub and another shower with a shower wand. So plenty of facilities for showering and bathing, and H2O amenities, which are very nice. Got another closet here with more storage space and another luggage rack. So just a huge unit, which is beautiful. And this is the second bedroom. You have a chair, beautiful dresser with additional storage space, another great big flat screen TV. You have 2 queen size beds right next to each other, which are beautiful. And they're also lofted, as you can see. And lots of plugs. Got regular plugs and USB plugs. So plenty of plugs for all of your electronics. And the second balcony right here. So the second balcony off of the second bedroom with 2 more chairs and a little coffee table. And again, standard view room, so we have a view of the front of the resort. So it's just a gorgeous room, beautiful resort. We're thrilled to be here for our first time. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.